morning. Once again, welcome to my channel Magic English for Kids. Today's topic is adjective. Do you know what is adjective? Adjective is a describing word which describes noun or pronoun. It describes a person or a people or any place or anything. So let's see how many types of adjectives are there and what are they and in which way they are dealt. Let's see with certain examples. Today's topic is adjective. So this adjective is a word which describes the person, place or an object. It has been classified into 9 parts as follows. What are they? Let's see. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, possessive adjective, emphatic adjective. Last one is the exclamatory adjective. So let's see one by one. What are they? So this is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality which describes the person, place or a thing. Its shape, its color, its texture, its length, its nature और property और element और character. तो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये गुण बता रहा है. किसी का रंग कैसा है? Fair complexion, black, white, round, shape. It gives the shape. Okay. Shape, texture, it is fine or smooth, rough, corrosive, length it is small or short. Then you can say the nature is calm or very bad temper. You can say it is good or bad. These are the qualities which is described by it through known as adjective of quality. So what is it here? You can see and you can clear. When we are talking about Robin has a black hair. It is hair is noun or you can say the thing that can be explained with the help of black. How is the hair? It is black hair. So this hair is described with the certain word that is known as adjective of quality. Then it is the longest river. How is the river? Or you can say what is the river? It is the longest one. So longest here it is describing the river. It is length. You can say the length of the river. It is described certain words. It is known as longest. So it is adjective of quality. Long road. How is the road? Road is long. Fair complexion. How is your complexion? Black, white, whitish or dark complexion. You can say that is complexion. Your skin complexion. Complexion क्या होता है? काला गोरा ये सब कैसा क्या होता है? Quality, your skin quality. Or you can say skin color. It is simply you can say that it is skin color. Okay, complexion is ये fair. वो गोरे रंग का है. How is the city? City को describe कर रहा है. Always you can say that city. It describes city. It is a crowded city. Mumbai is a crowded city. So it describes how is the city. So it is the quality of the city or you can say the nature of the city or you can say how is the city. It is a very busy city or it is very small one or it is big one or it is crowded. You can see with this example. So it is adjective of quality. Then John is a brave boy. Next see, John is a brave boy. How is the boy? Boy is brave. It's nature. It is describing the nature of the boy. So brave is one adjective. Then the red rose is beautiful flower. So red rose is a beautiful flower. You can say flower. How is the flower? It is very beautiful. It is describing flower is beautiful. It is flower is good or flower is smelling good or it has a good fragrance. It describes it is beautiful. So fantasy stories, fantastic story or fantasy, story of fantasy or boring place. You can say it is boring. Place is how is the place? It is quite boring. Clean city. How is the city? City is clean. So everything, these are the words which are describing how the noun is or you can the place is or you can say the object is. So this is here. It is one object. It is described through certain word that is black. River, that is the nature of the river, that is or you can say the length of the river. How is the boy? It is the boy's nature you can describing. through certain words, that is known as adjective of quality. किसका गुण क्या है, रंग कैसा है, वो देखने में कैसा है, ये सारा चीज क्या आते हैं, adjective of quality में आते हैं. It is a quality. Nature, shape and texture all are coming under quality. Then come to adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is tells us how much a thing is intended or how much. कितना है, हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, how much you have taken, how much, कितना. Quantifying 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, it is numerical adjective. Or you can say one, it is we have enough food to eat, or we took a lot of things. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, quantity बता रहा है. So it is the quantifying, it is the word which is quantifying the noun, it is known as adjective of quantity. Much, little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, all and more, etc. So these are coming under adjective of quantity. कितना परिमाण, आपने कितना खाया, थोड़ा सा खाया या बहुत कुछ खाया या sufficient खाया या सारा खा गया, ये सारी चीज बता रहा है quantifying. Okay, it is quantifying the noun, or you can say quantifying your object. This is known as adjective of quantity. So let's see what are the examples. There is much water in the well. So बहुत पानी है, कितना पानी, it is countable or uncountable, water is uncountable. So in that case we should use much. In case of countable noun we have to use many. Okay. There is a little milk in the glass. थोड़ा सा पानी है. How much? You are quantifying. थोड़ा सा दूध है, ग्लास में थोड़ा सा दूध है. That is little. Give me some food to eat. थोड़ा सा कुछ खाने के लिए दो. कुछ मतलब क्या है, थोड़ा, बहुत सारे, कुछ, ये सारे क्या होता है, quantifying. You are quantifying some object. You are quantifying some uncountable noun or countable noun. In that case you are using adjective of quantity. There is enough food in this table. Okay, in this stable or stable, it is stable. Okay, you can say here, यहाँ पर बहुत खाना है, यहाँ पर बहुत खाना है. I ate the whole cake. सारा केक मैंने खा लिया है. We cannot give you more money. मैं और ज़्यादा पैसा मैं तुमको नहीं दे सकता. More, you are quantifying. Money is uncountable. So in that case, I must say that और ज़्यादा मैं तुम्हें नहीं दे सकता. We cannot give you more money. More is also quantity. Then here, is there any food in the fridge? क्या कुछ फ्रीज में है? It is in positive case. Is there any food in the fridge? कुछ खाना है फ्रिज में क्या? हाँ, कुछ है. Some or any. You can take it positively as well as negatively. That is there any food? When you are asking some question, कुछ खाना है क्या? यहाँ पर any use होता है. We cannot take the entire luggage. Entire, सारा quantity, सारा luggage हम नहीं ले सकते. It is entire is also describing the luggage. Which one? The entire thing. The entire luggage we cannot take to the picnic spot. So it is quite heavy. We cannot take the entire luggage. Entire यहाँ पर क्या होता है? Adjective of quantity. The food is sufficient for all the students. यहाँ पर sufficient. It is also quantifying. Sufficient है, enough है. Okay? It is sufficient for all the students. सारे बच्चों के लिए ये खाना बहुत है. It is sufficient, हो जाएगा. Then he did is half of the work himself. तो आधा काम खुद ब खुद उसने किया. तो half यहाँ पर क्या है? Quantifying the work. वर्क क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन को कितना किया? आधा काम खुद ब खुद उसने किया. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? एडजेक्टिव हाफ ऑफ द वर्क ही डिड हिमसेल्फ. ओके. Then come to adjective of number. Adjective of number is describe both cardinal and ordinal number. तो cardinal number and ordinal number जो आपको पता है क्या होता है? 1, 2, 3, 4 and first, second, third, fourth, ये सारे क्या होते हैं? cardinal and ordinal numbers आते हैं. It tells him how many. In countable noun, how many, all or several, 5, first, 12th, most. ये सारे क्या होते हैं? सारे क्या होते हैं? सारे हमने क्या कहा? ऑल. इट इज क्वांटिफाइंग. इट इज नॉट entire number. We are taking the entire number. So it is adjective of number. All the girls participated in the annual function. सारे लड़कियां annual function में भाग लिए थे. तो क्या हुआ? All. It is adjective of number. Many students were absent yesterday. बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या है? Students are countable, so you have to use many. Many students were absent yesterday. बहुत सारे बच्चे आज absent थे. I have two sisters. You are numbering. मेरे कितने भाई बहन है? 2 बहनें हैं. I have 2 sisters. So this is adjective of number. He stood fast in the class. वो क्लास में पहला नंबर आया या अव्वल नंबर आया. Fast. This is, you can say that you can classify first or second or third. It is known as adjective of number. Most of the people eat non-veg. हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग, most ज़्यादातर, जो क्या होता है? ज़्यादातर. इन नंबर ज़्यादातर लोग नॉन वेज खाते हैं. I found several mistakes in the document. Mistakes बहुत सारे. Several means many. Many mistakes. I found several mistakes in the document. तो many हो गया क्या? Number. There are many trees. You can say many trees. So it is adjective of number. So this is how we can numbering, when we are numbering things. This is known as adjective of number. 2 kg, 1 kilo or 300 trees. So यहाँ पर you are numbering कर रहे हो. Countable. It is countable. I bought 2 kg of sugar. It is also adjective of number. I ate 2 liters of I drank 2 liters of milk, or I drank 2 liters of water. In that case also, this is quantified with certain number. 2 kg, 1 kilo, or you can say 300 numbers or 4 chocolates. यहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है? ये adjective of numbers हो जाते हैं. तो क्लियर हो गया आपको adjective के नंबर क्या कहते हैं, और you are counting with certain cardinal and ordinal number, as well as you are using many, all, several. They are also coming under adjective of number. Then come to another is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate. What is the meaning of demonstrate? Exhibit करना, दिखाना. ये वो इसका उसका ये सारे चीज क्या होते हैं? Demonstrative adjective होते हैं. Demonstrative adjective explains with persons or things, and these are, those are, that is, this, such and yonder are coming under demonstrative adjective. तो क्या होता है? This boy had good knowledge. तो ये लड़का का बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज था. ठीक है. Those trees are grown in the cold climate. वो पेड़, ये पेड़, वो पेड़, ये सब क्या होता है? Those is the plural of those. क्या होता है? That का those होता है plural. This का this होता है. So this, that, those, these, and then yonder. Okay. And you can see I despise such things. Such things. I didn't expect such things from you. Such is also coming under demonstrative adjective. Those trees are grown in the cold climate. और such thing was not expected from her. वो ऐसे में आशा आपसे नहीं कर रही थी और उससे नहीं कर रही थी. That umbrella is bigger than this. वो umbrella, वो छाता इससे बड़ा है. Yonder legs. Okay. So these are coming under demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate क्या होता है? Exhibit करना, display करना. ये वो ये सब वो सब ये सारे क्या हो रहे हैं? Demonstrative adjective हो रहे हैं. तो हम लोग अभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव के बाद हम आएंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. व्हाट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एक एक करके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव विच टेल्स अबाउट द पर्सन और थिंग्स विच आर टेकन एट वन ए टाइम, ईच, एवरी, आइदर एंड नाइदर. सो ये सारे क्या होता है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. तो ईच स्टूडेंट हैज ए कंप्लेन, और ईच स्टूडेंट हैज गॉट देयर नोटबुक, और यू कैन से ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज right to education. So यहाँ पर each and every you are distributing to every person individually at a time. So that will be known as distributive adjective. Let's see what is the example. Each boy took his share. सारा लड़का, प्रत्येक, क्या बोलते हैं? हर बच्चा ने अपना शेयर ले लिया. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? Each is coming under distributive adjective. Every word she spoke was the version of his father. Just her वर्ड है, जो क्या बोलते हैं, हर वर्ड या हर शब्द वो जिसने बोला ये उसका पापा का वर्सन था। ये सारे एवरी वर्ड वाज द वर्सन ऑफ हिज फादर, इट वाज नॉट स्पोकन बाय हिमसेल्फ। ओके, यू कैन टेक आइदर ऑफ दिस पेन, ये ले लो या ये ले लो, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव यहाँ पर होता है, यू कैन टेक आइदर ऑफ द पेन्स। ओके, नाइदर न्यूज वाज रिलायबल, ना ये सस्ता ना वो सस्ता, नाइदर न्यूज वाज रिलायबल। सो नाइदर, आइदर, each and every, they are coming under distributive adjective. Then come to interrogative. You know what is interrogative? Interrogate means to put enquiry. Simply we can say that is WH words. So here we can say interrogative adjective is describe the noun by putting certain question like which, whose, what, where, when, how. This is like the interrogative adjective. Which book is yours, कौन सा बुक तुम्हारा है, whose car is this, ये कार किसका है, what answer did you get, कौन सा आंसर तुम्हें मिला। तो ये सारे हमारा क्या हो जाता है, these are coming under interrogative adjective. Okay, then you come to possessive adjective. Possessive means you know it very well, the person whose a sense of belongingness of the ownership. Possessive adjectives are the words that modify a noun or to show a form of possession, a sense of belonging of ownership to a specific person, animal or thing. इसका है, उसका है, मेरा है, ये तुम्हारा है, ये सारे चीज क्या होते हैं, ये सब possessive adjective में आते हैं. So this is the simple language. We can say my, yours, our, its, her, his and their, each and one correspond to the subject of pronoun. So ये मेरी कार है, ये तुम्हारा घर है, ये इसकी टेबल है, उसका है, हमारा है, उन लोगों का है, ये सारे क्या हो रहे हैं, ये पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव हो रहे हैं. This is my car. Yes, my car. Whose car is? You are defining car is whose. This is mine. Or you can say my car. मेरा कार है. Possession of car is mine. Or this is my car. My is known as possessive adjective. These are her children. Children किसकी बच्चे, उसकी बच्चे. तो her is here is acting as a possessive adjective. The dog is wagging its tail. कुत्ता है इसलिए it लगेगा. Its tail, उसकी पूंछ हिला रही है या हिला रहा है. They are our friends. वो लोग मेरे दोस्त है या हमारा दोस्त है. Whose friend? Our friend. So it is describing the friends. Whose friend? Our friends. Possessive adjective. This is their school. वो उन लोगों का स्कूल है. Whose school is this? Their school. School तो describe कैसे हो सकता है? उन लोगों का स्कूल है. So describe क्या करता है? स्कूल को describe करता है their. So it is now coming under possessive adjective. Okay, clear about it? Then come to emphatic adjective. Emphatic adjective are the adjectives which uttered or to be uttered with certain emphasis, strong expressive या expression using emphasis in each speech or action. तुम अपने शब्द को, अपने वर्ड को ज्यादा एम्फेसिस देते हो, तभी ये कहते हैं एम्फेटिक एडजेक्टिव. I have seen the murder in my own eyes. मेरे खुद की आंखों से मैंने देखा. क्या एम्फेसिस करे? Your expression is what? You are telling that in my own eyes. Own is now it is emphatic adjective. He is the very man to whom I saw him in the shopping mall. वही, the very thing, the particular. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? The very man, the particular man whom I saw yesterday in the shopping mall, he is that person. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? The very and own is they are used as emphatic adjective. Suppose here one question example is that this is the very book which I want. So ये वाला जो book है, the very book, the particular book, this is the very book which I want. Okay, यही वाला book में मैं मुझे जो चाहता हूँ या मुझे अच्छा लगता है या this I want, मुझे लाना है. Okay, मुझे पाना है. That is my own pen. ये मेरा खुद का पेन है. This is my own pen. So ये खुद का, the very one, the very thing, the very object, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? You are giving emphasis to your words or your speech through certain word. That is known as emphatic adjective. Let's come to last one is your exclamatory adjective. One thing you have to remember that all exclamatory words are not coming under exclamatory adjective. Only single word, that is what, is used as exclamatory adjective. But sometimes we confuse that, we use that how, what, wow as exclamatory adjective, but it is not like that. It is wrong. Only what is used as exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory adjective which you are using for your strong emotion, that is known as exclamatory adjective. What a courage, what an idea, what a curse. So this is only what is used as exclamatory adjective. Other than that, other exclamatory words are not used as exclamatory adjective. You have to remember, sometimes children, they do mistake at the time of writing exclamatory adjective. They use wow, alas, oh. These are not actually exclamatory adjective, but simply you can say the what is only the exclamatory word which is used as an adjective. So this is the simple way we got what is adjective, how many kinds of adjectives are there, and what are coming under different types of adjectives very clearly. There is a crystal clear knowledge about this adjective through this speech, or you can through this video you come to know about it what is adjective. Thank you very much for watching this video, and it's my honest request, if there is any doubt or any request or any comment, you can give your suggestion in my comment box. And please subscribe my channel and share the video as far as possible. Thank you for watching this.